a little bit of bi-rub. We'll have to sort that out a bit. Hobbywing Fusion Pro. Have some 3D printed tire inserts. This is the actual SCX10 base camp. I put the Proline Toyota body on it. Did a horrible job painting it, I know. I'll fix it up eventually. You know, by getting a new one and totally redoing it. But very impressed with those foams. The inserts, 3D print inserts. They act like a dual stage, but they're even better. This is our little climbing wall. We need to extend it. We got all this grass and plenty more rocks. Very happy with those 3D printed inserts. Didn't get them from anyone in particular, just a friend of mine. So I think we're gonna have to print some more. Nice spring day in Ohio.